Building $1 million in 5 years is within reach with the right approach. Here's a streamlined plan to achieve that goal. Break your $1 million target into manageable yearly and monthly milestones. In the first year, focus on hitting $100,000. Maximize your earnings by focusing on high-demand skills, freelancing, and entrepreneurship. Seek high-paying jobs or start a side hustle. Save 30%, 50% of your income each month. Open a high-interest savings account or invest in growth assets like stocks and real estate. Invest in real estate for cash flow and appreciation. Start a scalable business for higher returns on your investment. The path to $1 million requires focus and discipline. Continue learning and adjust your strategies as you progress. Track your financial progress regularly and adapt your strategies based on market conditions to stay on course. By increasing your income, saving, investing, and leveraging business opportunities, you can reach $1 million in 5 years.